Weather forecast.
Happy Tuesday to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. We're getting a bit of a break a chance to catch our breath. Just a little break, though, because we've got the next storm system already on its way. That comes in as we head through the day tomorrow. And guess what? There's another one behind that as well. That moves in to give us another shot and a more appreciable shot of cold air just in time for the weekend. However, as we get closer to Christmas, we're going to try to warm things up at least a little bit. We're talking temperatures getting at least back above freezing, maybe upper 30s. So a little warmer. It's, consolation prize, but at least it will be warmer in time for Christmas. Wednesday, looking at around low 40s. That's going to be in the afternoon, but by the evening, we're already cooling back down. So any rain we see will quickly transition back to snow. For Thursday, some scattered snow showers, temperatures low to mid 30s. Out there right now, upper 30s to mid 40s. Harrisburg, a little warmer at 48. Buffalo, 40. Utica, 41. And also 41 in St. Mary's. Radar satellite showing the clouds that we have around. A couple rain, snow showers, a little band, lake effect band coming off of Lake Ontario. But in general, there's not a ton going on right now. Like I said, a chance to kind of catch our breath a little bit. Next storm system moving across the northern plains pretty quickly. Again, it's a fast-moving storm system. It doesn't have a ton of moisture, but it will give us the opportunity for some snow as we head through the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. A little rain to begin, then quickly changing over to snow. Some leftover snow showers Thursday and Friday. A few lake effect bands could develop as well. But generally for the weekend, we are drier, we are quieter than we head toward Christmas Eve on Tuesday. It looks like we got dry weather, and it does look like it is going to be dry as we head into Christmas Day as well. So temperatures, low 40s tomorrow. That front comes in. We go back to mid 30s to low 30s Friday. Another front. There goes that next shot of cold air. Teens to around 20 degrees. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then we do work our way back up. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, low to mid 30s, upper 30s, maybe even back to some 40s by the time we get to the end of next weekend. Here's what we have going on for tonight. Cloudy sky, and not much going on for the morning hours, just generally cloudy sky. There could be some patchy areas of fog in a few spots, but temperatures in the mid 30s to start off with. By noon, a few of the rain showers start to move in back toward the west, but notice the cold air is not that far behind. So as we transition toward 5 o'clock, the rain is moving in, but it's also starting to change over to some snow. So we'll see a pretty quick changeover. Low 40s, that's before the precip arrives, and once it does, it's going to be a little snowier. So 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, that band of snow is going to be most impactful across the viewing area. And then as we head toward midnight, the snow is starting to move away. Some wraparound snow showers certainly possible, and those could have a few lake enhancements to them, but it's not going to be a major lake effect event by any stretch. 33 degrees to start the day on Thursday. We're not going to warm up much, only back to mid 30s for Thursday afternoon, so temperatures pretty much holding steady through the day on Thursday. How much snow could we see? A couple inches, maybe 3 inches in a few spots, so enough to certainly cause a few traffic headaches. Please be mindful about that as we head through, especially during the morning hours of Thursday. For tonight, we're back down upper 20s to mid 30s. Here comes the rain, changing to snow pretty quick tomorrow, mid 30s to low 40s. Quick look at the 7-day forecast. Has a few more snow showers for Friday. Colder Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Slightly warmer as we head through Christmas Eve. Back to you.
Thank you, Brian. Coming up next on
News is brought to you by Nye Automotive Group. Come see why it's gotta be Nye. Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Tuesday night to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. Guess what? We got another storm system on the way for the day tomorrow. It's going to bring a round of mainly snow. It's going to start off as a little bit of rain tomorrow afternoon and then quickly change over to some snow as we head through the afternoon and evening hours. Once that storm system moves away, we have another one that comes in as we head through Friday afternoon, Friday evening. That one's going to give us a more appreciable shot of colder air just in time for the weekend. But as we head toward early next week, getting close for Christmas week and Christmas Day itself, it looks like we're going to finally get some warmer temperatures back in here. Tomorrow, low 40s before the precip arrives. Then it will quickly cool down. That rain will change to snow. We'll have some snow showers still hanging around on Thursday with temperatures in the low to mid 30s. Right now, it's mostly a mix of 30s to around 40 degrees. Albany at 40, Scranton 39, Utica 38. Same thing in Buffalo. Cleveland also at 40 degrees. So pretty uniform temperatures across the region. Cloud cover, yeah, a couple spotty snow showers, a few snowflakes here and there. But overall, things are pretty quiet. You look back to the west, you see a few snow showers moving across the western parts of the Great Lakes area. That's our next storm storm system, I know it does not look like much, but as it gets closer to us, it will tap into a little bit more moisture and give us that better chance for some light snow. But that's the key word. We're talking about 1, 2, maybe upwards of 3 inches of accumulation. Yeah, enough that it could cause a few slick spots, but in general, not majorly impactful. And that's going to mostly take place on Wednesday night into very early Thursday. Then Thursday, through the first half of the day, some snow showers. Another storm system comes in for Friday into very early Saturday. That's when that next more significant shot of colder air comes in. It's around for the weekend. So we're dry for the weekend, and it does look dry as we head toward Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Temperature-wise, low 40s tomorrow. By the way, we should be in the mid-30s. Average high is 34, so I'll be back down there on Thursday. Low 30s on Friday. There's the cold weekend, teens and 20s all the way through Monday. And then we do see things try to moderate a bit more as we head toward Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And by the way, winter officially arrives Saturday morning. I do believe it's at, I think, 4:20 in the morning, I think. But it's going to be cold, regardless. As winter officially arrives, it's going to look and feel every bit of it. Here's what we have going on for tonight. Down to the mid-30s to begin the day Wednesday. By noon, here comes some of the rain back to the west, but it will quickly change over to snow as we head into the afternoon and evening. We'll reach a high in the low 40s early on, then temperatures will start to drop as the precip begins and we start to cool back down. So any rain will change over to snow. We have snow around 7 o'clock to about 9 o'clock for most of the central and western parts of the viewing area. A little farther to the east, it'll take until about 9, 10, 11 o'clock for the snow to exit. A few wraparound snow showers at midnight. Those will hang around through the morning hours Thursday. We're in the mid-30s to start the day, or low 30s to start the day Thursday. We're not going to move much temperature-wise. Mid-30s for a high, so it stays on the colder side. But snow showers move out Thursday afternoon. Another storm system comes in for Friday afternoon. Could see around 2 to 3 inches of accumulation in some spots, an inch or two elsewhere. But again, we're not talking about a major storm system, but enough that it could have an impact on some of the area roads, especially for Thursday morning. So be mindful about that. Headed off to work and school Thursday morning. For tonight, we're back down to a mix of 20s to low 30s, close to the freezing mark most locations. Rain and snow moves in for tomorrow. We'll see the snow accumulation potential for Wednesday night, early Thursday. Some leftover snow showers Thursday morning. Friday afternoon, another round of snow moves in. Colder for the weekend. Then we start to try to warm things back up by Christmas Eve. Back to you.
Thank you, Brian. Time